Hover doors is changing the sliding door sector completely. This is the reason. Conventional sliding shower doors, adopted by manufacturers across the globe, rely on rollers that are prone to breaking down with time. This flaw has consistently barred manufacturers from offering a long-term warranty. Now, Hover Doors emerges as the exclusive manufacturer wielding an international patent for a pioneering technology. That technology uses rare earth neodymium magnets, in which the strength only decreases 1 to 5% over a century, thus the door that slides in the mid-air against gravity. This innovation promises not just smooth, minimum maintenance and silence in operation, but also safety, space optimization, and innovative design. Above all, this supports the viability of lifetime warranties which eliminate cost on replacement and set new precedents in the industry. Traditional sliding doors are subject to frequent replacements due to their susceptibility to wear and tear and the rapid pace at which their designs become obsolete. This ongoing cycle of frequent updates leads to higher labor costs and an annual rise in product prices, causing more items to be disposed of in landfills. On the other hand, Hover Door is whisper quiet and also equipped with a soft close mechanism to prevent loud noises and enhance safety. On top of this, the lifetime warranty and the stainless steel cover make the style up and updating of styles and colors in the future match the latest fashion trend. Such a flexible design will drastically cut the frequent replacements which are not only costly but also time-consuming. To ensure your peace of mind, waiting is off the table. Instead of sliding, choose to elevate with Hover.